afina omo ye sakawa no modwuma no eba bekoso afina nkolanki to aba bekunkum omo maame no mu ne omo papa no mu e de akoji sika.
Etimi ka kire o se week we nyina no ye de RNAQ40 Billionaire na odi ne 40th birthday in a grand style as Aliko Dangote mu nyina ba baabie Diamond Platinum mu nyina ba baabie no. Or na week we nyina di ni twa because every day bia no new things so for us in the birthday and in the personal life are concerned. New expose pop up every blessed day. Now no Joyce Mensah, gospel singer Joyce Mensah also adding the expose abeshum obetrim the possible source of revenue for RNAQ40. Any other thing I believe say RNAQ40 was secret amount for any. No abegina so ede abetu boys no say munya botre wa brabom yempre sika eye nanso utumre ka kope sika ohwe a ubenu ho. Enemy to the end of this particular video. Sire obetimi atie asem a Joyce Mensah eka na so da kwa adwendwene mu na wa kire wa adwene ewo ho. Ayi Penyah media. Me say any dey mo. Oba like video no and Armah. Oba subscribe channel so ba click notification icon for latest update. Na ba kire wa adwene dey ama me ewo comment especially say oba so a no share video ma nua so enya bi ahwe. Edenye ni Billionaire RNAQ40 celebrating the 40th birthday recently over the weekends in a grand style ewo Ghana Independence Square. Our birthday no I've been making videos upon videos. I'm how video is how birthday is called decoration settings any bia just an nice invested guests just a kuku dam the buy our program no in fact AF or no at all Bugatti Chiron at the gift in home or sat or private jet at the gift in home just a birthday no he really invested in the birthday. After the birthday and a pop up said Ghana Revenue Authority for freezing the bank accounts in and say on tier tax upon the 29 companies or 29 companies our bills credit limited account be on tier tax. I say omu here no tax now no was with me to Ghana government 30 million Ghana cedis 300 billion but we forget it and was spending huge amount of money in the birthday. It's the birthday the chance say a ginger Ghana Revenue Authority for them when they say over so trade there. And yes, we take action against it. I don't know freezing the bank accounts in now. Now, I don't know Joyce Mensah at the expose abeshum. Now, before then, only say, I just for real. Media na Sony and Nimza for real. The Owiska or your bar, young girl or whisker or your hard work and God not oba. A fear or posty and then a cast. Baby, you go to location between picture near the and say she was living lavish life. Now she was living lavishly. At the end, any say, ya channel. Ewo UK a poppy up say oya fraud emu ena heja na confirm say only RNAQ40 Billionaire ya yenim yini only na ya fraud because RNAQ40 the boyfriend that was in 2023 it even 21st March 2023 krano eduru RNAQ40 birthday heja for ebe sending a happy birthday message. What I say? Heja for every man happy birthday message in a sweet manner. Omo we di odo. Let's say enipa or share heja for chi e money is come on the name yin Billionaire na yinim ye RNAQ40. Joyce Mensah in her expose no birthday na RNAQ40 edi so because enye fa na yentro birthday dey efe
Sem bebre ne bebre Ghana party na course no who share the level of sika in who idea efe say bida or Ghana.
Nemom asemo ho o chirim say yankai heja for real abrabo ni enfentu ya ho.
Na so kai say kojo entwibo nyum bi say sikadam say tobo ase na sika enye owuo eduro abranti a wedi 40 years wetumi enyi sika say eduma benkwa na wonkwa wo ye. You know, as a society, we have gotten to a point so person can cry. You better go say we need brain nipano. We need brain nipano. You are Hana Asia for real. Sisi anu we posting new car. No we posting the fear. Now be here in the comment section say and I tap into your blessing. Now society was not asking say a young girl na onya 30. Ejuma benkwa, ejuma den benkwa na se nyansa benkwa na unkwa unimu a. At that age, now for tapping, now more tapu ko kape because we need brain. Ena, chiniko tum. Ye chile ko to mo pe. Ye hu so obi tapping into prison no. Nobody is tapping into that blessing again. Omuya be good social media man for pressure wi a. Ehun sunsun aso no na sam be good social media na abiem. Obi no person odi hia wasase so. Na mo hwe ni ye.
Ninka to no chirem say birthday ya unua bedi no. It will cause a lot of harm than good because boys ni bebrebe any beji say na de omu person omu su benya sika. It because of that no omu be many negative things.
The implications are action wey edibe break Ghana youth. Afei na omo ye sakawa no omo djuma no eba bekoso. Afei na nkwala nketu aba be kunkum omo maame no mu ne omo papa no mu ede akoji sika. Na sikedru ani sakawa ni sanyama no implications e wo mu no. Eni moja omo nom no. You don't have any idea. I want to break it down. You know, the person me breaking nyama down for you to understand nyamibi. Bamodi can hear that video.
We slept in a single room with my mom and my sister. We had only a ceiling fan, and she'll be like, my son, you know I love you so much. You see the situation we find ourselves in. I am counting on only you to lift us out of this situation we find ourselves in. If you want me to live long and stay and be by your side, then take us out of this situation. Mama, those are powerful words.
Or share poverty and no woman na. Ne mami ka che ni so no na odi ni ato no so obeyi omo. As a parent, what we parent no? When to me enya sika anhwe wo ma. Na emo no, when me find emotional blackmail. Wa ka asem na to ba ne tiri mu no. O the pressure bi ato akola ni so. So no person making mama proud. E kwen bi obefa so we making mama proud, no be making mama proud. The same pressure that a lot of young girls so ne ko Italy na ko tre. Babro tre ko Italy, especially Italy. Na ko tre young girls are too just because they want to make mama proud. Or more body because they want to make mama proud. At the end of the day, no, the problems are better busuane so.
Emo kazi zikwa se abrochire ana Richard Quaye show this kind of weather anka police baba be chino ama oba be chiri be nyani sika firi adwuma wo ye ni ade.
Sa party we course weekend we no say Germany bibiamiti na course wa anka ye be invite no. Quaye alpha so onya asasika no within how many years I start say we adwuma. Ejuma wo ye no income eba no afi ne be calculate ehu na Quaye alpha so onya asasika no bo akoyi na police station. You know, approach system no oman in such a way say ya yeni to the certain level say to me to pressure mo bia to me we system no to me we sika and to me nye bibia e fraudulent en fensie en ye en to talk as akese obrekwa to me chirase eni tu no oman ma sanity ti see approach obi ko jisikedro anato obi akokun obi so de sa unnecessary pressure no to me mo bia pressure approach because unya start say obema pressure ya be invite o uti social media displays you can displays can we ya na police jira open ano sika na wo display no kwa afa so de nye sika no edwuma ni send etia wo edwuma mu you have to go and explain.
But Ghana the free, Africa is free into no obi abetima show sika o believe say sika no amount for show on internet no eno na de pressure be good boys ni so emom ko sika duro eni ade ekokunkum nipa ekoye nkwase azem fraud ni ade all in the name of I want to make mama proud.
But come to Africa, you need bibia in check. Everything goes, no control. Into bia to me sorry ya di obe efe. Obi obe ka se party ni nyefe bia no na uni ma de efe. Ni mbe gina ha enchantro. But so na eba no. Montena se. Na mo behu. Impenifo e wo kroni mu aban impenifo police impenifo a mo Ghana kroni mu ahemfo asofo a mo tete ho a niama bi se ekoso a e di pressure every youth na mo nka ho asem no you will see the implication. You will see very soon. Sisi a youth no be break to kwa akotonton mo kidney ni ade because obi ato pressure man kwa mbia so na so yeye ebi mo kotonton mo liver ni mo kidney ni ade nsi a business e bu me no a lot of things are happening. Now fast so what mean within a short period of time, and I am not in the position to question obesika wenya because all brain na me ni ho na mom no sanya ma say no Yenim se betumi esi wo every part of the world. Nti abrofo ni nim. Ti no mo si ho kwan so bi ani wa obetumi asori all of a sudden.
Emma or the Nam1. Nam1 kura be example say Nam1 be show sika bebrebe wo media and so but at the end. Say na only a cromfo or a froster a obubu amanfo because of Nam1 tino. Enipa bebrebe enya heart attack because omusika got stuck in his company.
Sana Nam1 be ye etutu sikegu saa. Ene e di shame ni ase. Ekwo wie kire no. Nkrofo amanya heart attack a omu ewu because of omusika koka baby. Nipa bebre wu because of men's gold. Nzo starting no ukoka pe because we ni bre no. Unya koka pe. Uti wa na young boy nwe peja. Akola kitu a wo 30, 40. Epese onye sika ne nana na se ne papa eye adwuma for about 60 years ah. Oh, sika no on fa na ni hu da no. Ono pese odi 5 years, pese odi 10 years e make sika no.
Eho no betire mu enema esikafo ni bi ye de ye nim so mo sika no. Enema omo ye ne sumase a ye nim bi mu ewi nipa nam no mu nipa moja bi nim de ajanan ebi kura na omu fie ensem do na aso.
Enuanomo me be ka se mi achiro. Some of the things are these kind of people go through to make that money. Ebi wo sika so mo ntumi nna. Ebi wo sika daima oni ahoto. Ebi wo sika daima so da niam ohunu neni so no ntumi kata neni na wada. Enuanom, ebi wo sika daima na so gise de bi onum nipa moja. Omonum excuse me to say edi sabie janan enum jonso they do all kind of things. Ebi sika no just within a week not or so to me mabe 100 eda or hono onya energy no efri. People are going through things. So who obi ade a fa ma weni mbre. Ebi kwa na wo doko no nchi na bia wenya wudi no. Wo ahoto 100 times. Estini sikeni na owe japade bebre no. Weni so dia wo ma weni mbre obi bibia da. Asumdwe a wo good health. Wo a wo ta 1990 hospitals. She ade na ni no waye no. She wo de mama fa ni nto nchen. Sa boys no mukọ jiji sakawa ni ade na to da mukọ a yetumi dia ebro omo ana mukọ yetumi dia ebro gu fom. Se wo sika na obenya akụkọ no ebro no dudu obetumi amene no. Enu ni the number of years a obedi. Na wankasa wo stars na yakopọ di ama no stars na ebo wo ban wo stars na asa wo ye bibia wo nya lock no na asesa na nyina na abo na de ama preko pese gina kodi acha 5 years 2 years 10 years gone too soon na wewu sikeni bi wo a onim da poti obewu and as asika fi no untumi fanya de papa bia just so waste no you have to waste it e was so waste sika no nti sika fo ni bi wo no onim se nche bi obewu. It's no ya de bia e be ma ne kra ho ato no. You don't know, for all you know no, you don't know what somebody is going through. Into the owo bia no. Ma weni nso se wo pomodin. Ma weni nso se wo asumdwe. Ma weni nso se unko shebe bi enko no moja. Ma weni nso se oni bode ni nkoda ansa na de bia osika na ba. Ma weni nso se ensese de bia no ko hwehwe obi na wokuku no ansa na osika no aba. Ma weni nso e wo de owo bia.
Eti wani nsɛm a Joyce Mensah aba abeka. Iti Joyce Mensah abedwudwamo. Okohwe video ni bi. Tire wadwuma me e wo comment section. Ensema Joyce Mensah abeka. Obili say eye jealousy. E no de beka saye. Ana say he came by speaking the raw truth. Hwe wadwen kire egu comment section. Hi Penyah Blog Media. Akra.